excited. This is my second time coming to Blizzcon. I came to the first one. It was really cool and really exciting.
Pretty much tons and tons of nerds everywhere.
What are you guys most excited to see here today?
StarCraft 2. Definitely StarCraft 2.
I'm really looking forward to seeing the panels.
I am a savory delight pirate. I am a pirate from one of those little fishes you eat. I'm here just enjoying the other costumes and trying to check out StarCraft 2.
Where are they going to go next with WoW? How are they going to top this great game that has millions of players?
I've been wanting hero classes.
In one word, I would ask about Carcass.
Welcome to our second BlizzCon. On behalf of everyone at Blizzard, I want to express our gratitude.
Oh man, yeah baby.
StarCraft 2 blew me away.
Blew you away?
I was an old school StarCraft player, and then I saw StarCraft 2 and it was like, wow. I might have to quit WoW actually to play StarCraft 2.
Today I'm dressed as a rogue. I designed the armor myself. It's based loosely off of Shadowcraft.
I'm dressed up as a developer.
Oh, what developer?
Developer on World of Warcraft.
He who has no life, the inspiration for the South Park character.
We are the Dota 2007 champions! Ice block on the main, stay on him! 10 seconds, come on!
You got it.
Yeah, definitely play what comes out. I mean, like right now I'm playing WoW, never played that before. Hell, I spoke out against MMOs before that. So it's more of just, go head on into it, buy it, play it. Probably get to like it. It was fun to begin with just now, so.